By the end of this video, you will know how to use the MT5 app with your phone. You will learn how to place both buy and sell orders, how to choose currency pairs to trade, how to set your stop loss and your take profits, how to close your trades. You will understand the most important features of the app, how to use them efficiently, and how to analyze the market before making trading decisions. I have already connected my Essence account to my MetaTrader 5, that is MT5. But if you haven't done that yet, click the first link in the description of this video titled How to Link or Connect Your Essence account to your MetaTrader 5 app, that is MT5. If your account is already connected, open MT5 app and let's get started. So now, having linked your Essence account to your MT5, so just click on MetaTrader 5, that is MT5. Now look at how it's looking. So all these things you are seeing here, they are not real forex pairs. You cannot trade them. Look at, you cannot trade them. If I come here now and click, look at, and you see, it say contact broker. You cannot trade all these pairs here. All these things here, you cannot trade them. So the first thing to do here, just come to this pencil icon here. You see this pencil icon here? Just click it. Then you see this basket here. Just click it. Then you see this one here. Just click it. Delete everything. Now you cannot delete this first one here. So what you will do, just go back, click back. Then you come down here to charts. Down here to charts. You just click it. Right? So you need to change this thing here. I see what I'm clicking here. You need to change this here. But now we have only one pair here, so we cannot change it. So what you are going to do now? And we cannot trade. If you click here, look at, if you want to click buy, it's a contact broker. So you cannot trade this pair. You cannot trade these pairs on this MetaTrader 5 now with SNES. You cannot trade them. So what we're going to do, we need to choose our pairs. So now come down to this quote. You see this quote down here. Just come here to this quote down here. Then you come to this plus sign here. See this plus sign. Come to the plus sign. Now this is where you add your pairs or what you want to trade. Let's say we want to trade GBP USD. You just click it and type GBP USD. I see. So can you see it? You click it. So let's say I want to trade this pair. Let's say I want to also trade USD JPY. So USD JPY. I want to trade it. What do? You click it. Let's say I want to trade gold. Hope you know gold. SAU USD, the popular one. Gold, SAU USD, very popular. So you just click it. Very popular and very risky and very rewarding. Alright, so I've clicked 3 of them. Now there are 3 now, plus the first one 4. So I want to remove this first one, this BCH. I want to remove it. So just come to this chart down here. Come to it down here. Then come to this place there. Click this BCH. Just click it. Now change it. Let's change it to, let's say GBP USD. Change it to GBP USD. Just click GBP USD. So I've changed it now. Are you seeing? So can you see now? If I click here now, are you seeing? If I click here now, it will click. Are you seeing? But before, if I click, it will not click. Let me come back here now. If you come to this one now, if I click here now, this place, look at, it's a contact broker. So you cannot trade this and pair. So but when I change it to normal currency pairs or other pairs, I see it's now working. I see now. If I click here, it's now working. So what I'm going to do now is just hide this thing. Look at, hide it. I see, hide it. Please make sure you always hide this thing, because if you mistakenly click buy or sell, you'll be in a loss. Make sure you hide this thing. Just be hiding it. Except you want to use it, you bring it out. If you're not using it, hide it. Because your hand can mistakenly just touch buy or touch sell and you're already in a loss. So be careful. That's why I always cover it. Just cover it like this. Then now come down here. Come down to quote. Then come to this pencil now. I seen what I did. I came to the pencil. I just came to this pencil. Click the pencil. Now click this basket now. Click the basket. Then click this BCH. Only the BCH. Instead of me clicking everything here, no. Just click only this BCH. Just click it. So we tick only BCH, not all. Then you just click this basket to cancel that BCH. Can you see? So I'm only trading 3 things now. GBP USD, USD JPY, and SAU USD. These are the 3 things I'm trading now. So just come back to this place. Click back. I've clicked back now. So this is what we are trading now. We are trading GBP USD. We are trading USD JPY. We are trading SAU USD, which is what? Gold. So now let's come to chart now. Can you see how the chart looks like? So after analyzing the chart, that is when we now click buy or sell, right? You don't just randomly come to Forex and click buy or sell. You need to first analyze it, right? So these are the pairs we are going to trade. They will be under this quote. I see, they will be under this quote. Then this is the chart. So if you are trading GBP/USD, look at GBP/USD is showing here. That means we are trading GBP/USD. If you change it to USD/JPY, I see what I change it. I change it to USD/JPY. This second one now, USD/JPY. Let's see load. So let it load. All right, it has loaded now. Let me open it. Just place your two hands like this, drag it like this. I see what I did. Place your two hands like this, drag it backward. I see, or forward, or backward, or forward with your two hands. I see how I did this. Then you touch this side here to expand it. I see where I'm touching. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Then with your two hands, expand and flatten, expand it. You understand? All right. So now this one is, let me reduce it. Now this one is what? USD/JPY. I see how it's looking. Now come to this place again. Click here. Let's see how good it's looking. Now I'm the one that drew this line here. I see this white line, these two white line. Now I'm the one that drew them. So I was analyzing this trade. I see. So I will show you how to even draw these lines here. That will help you to analyze the trade, because you analyze the trade before you enter, right? I will show you that one later. So this is where we see our pairs that we're going to analyze. Now, when you come down here, just come down here, you see trade. Just look down, you see trade down here. So this is where, and when you enter a trade there, just watch now. Let me show you something now. This is a demo account too. This is a demo account. So let's click here. Click here. When you click here, you bring down this thing. This thing that you're seeing here, 0.01. Please make sure it is always 0.01. You understand? I'm going to show you why later. But make sure it's always 0.01. I'm going to show you why. Let's say that we click buy. Let's say we click buy. Boom. We have clicked buy. Okay, accept. Let's say we click buy. Boom. We have clicked buy. Now, are you seeing, as we click buy, we enter at a loss first before coming in a profit. Now, come to this trade down here. Come to this trade down here. Are you seeing this trade down here? Are you seeing what is showing now? So what is happening here now? We're in a profit of $0.08, $0.10 now. Now, are you seeing? It's showing now 0. So what is happening here now? 0.1 now, 0.8. Are you seeing what is happening now? So what is happening here is showing. Let's say that we enter GBP/USD and come to USD/JPY now. Let's say we came here and enter sell. I will now click sell. Are you seeing sell down here? I will now click sell. Let's say I enter buy, the rest I enter sell here. So I enter sell here. I came at a loss first. So when you enter a trade, you'll be at a loss first. That loss is called spread. Spread is the money that you pay to enter this trade before you now become in a profit. So now I enter two pairs. USD/JPY is sell. GBP/USD is buy. I look at them here. I think that GBP/USD is on. Both of them are now in a loss. I see how it is now. So whatever you enter here is going to be showing here. Whatever you enter here is going to be showing here. So I have not analyzed this thing. I'm just showing you randomly. Just a random show like that. Now, let's say you want to cancel this trade. What will you do? You just click it. I see. When you click it, look at what's pop up down here. Let me do it again. Just click here. Look at it says close sell. Are you seeing? So what will you do? You just click it. So you say close sell. You click it. You show this close sell. You close it. You press OK. OK. The sell has closed. So it has closed. So now come to this history. You see we lost $0.45. Are you seeing it now? So this history is where you see your profits or you see your loss. Right? So trade is the one that you are currently on. Why history is your profit or your loss so far, right? Now, let's come to that. Close this thing here. Close this thing. Just click it. Close it before your hand will mistakenly press it, right? Let's come to this GBP/USD now. Let's come to this GBP/USD now. You see the GBP/USD now. We have not put stop loss here. So this how to put stop loss. Just click that buy or your sell. Just click it. Boom. I see how I click it. Look at. Just click it. Are you seeing something is popping down here? Are you seeing that is popping down here? When you click it, let me click outside, it is gone. Let me click this blue line now, or the red line. Just click it. If it's buy, it's going to be blue line. If it's sell, it's going to be red line. But now it's buy, so it's a blue line. So now you click on this L cell down here. Are you seeing this L cell down here? So click it. So that L cell is sell stop. YTP is what? Buy stop. So you click on that L cell down there. Now let's say you want to put the SL on maybe on, let's say, $1 loss. Let's say $1. You want to risk $1 for this trade. Let's say you want to risk $1. Let's assume that, for example, you want to risk $1 to make, let's say you want to risk $1 to make maybe $2, right? Are you seeing how I'm setting it? Now I'm risking $1 to make $2. But please don't randomly do this thing. No, you have to first of all do what? First of all, analyze your chart. Then based on your analysis, you now know whether you are going to buy or sell, or you are going to risk $1 or more than $1, or you are going to make $2 or more than $2. So after setting this thing now, are you seeing that I set it? You now come to this blue line down here. Are you seeing this blue arrow down here? This blue arrow down here, you just click it. You see modify. You click on modify. Boom. So click on modify. Are you seeing? Just click this cancel now. Just cancel. Are you seeing? I've placed my, if I touch it now, look at, if I touch it now, it is showing. If I remove my hand, it's not showing. If I click outside, it's not showing. But if I touch inside, it will now show. So I'm risking $1, that is minus $1. I'm risking $1, that is minus $1, to make how much? Plus $2. So when this thing comes, when this candle comes from up here and goes down, when this candle move from up here to down here, I will lose $1. But when it move from up here to up here, I'll do what? I'll make $2. Do you understand now? So that is how it works. Let's say that we sold. So just touch it and press on. Look down, you see buy. Look down, you see close buy. So you press close buy. You have done what? Press OK. So we have closed this trade. So now when you come to your history now, you see that you have closed 2 trades at a loss or a profit. So this is just a random trade. So come to this chart, back to this chart. Let's say we click before we sell. Okay, let's use buy as example now. You come to this button now and buy. Okay, we have already used buy. Let's use sell as an example. Instead, let's use sell as an example. Alright. Let's use sell as an example. Just click on sell. Okay, let's close this buy. Close the buy. Let's use sell as example. Let's use sell as example. Look, I've sold now. So remember to this buy and sell. Once you just sell, close it so that you will not mistakenly press it. So once you enter, you'll be at a loss first. Why? Because of spread. Because of what? Spread. So normally I need to measure that spread. So before I make any entry, I'll measure the spread. So for now, let me measure this spread now. Just measure this blue line and come to this SL. Measure this. So they are now on what? Plus 0.07. Are you seeing it here? Plus 0.07. That is about $0.10. So I can enter. Sometimes this thing can be plus $1 or plus 0.40. Imagine you are risking $1 and your spread is 0.40. It's risky to enter. You understand? Wait for it to be maybe spread means the difference between this blue, this green horizontal line and this red horizontal line. You see these 2 lines here, this line and this line, this line and this line, these 2 lines. Now that is spread. So sometimes this spread will be very, very wide, such that when you come here and you measure this, the green one and the red one, use this your buy or sell order. Just measure it like this. When you measure them, you will notice that, oh, this guy, the difference is what? $10. So I can enter. So we are paying $10, $0.10, not $10. We are paying $0.10 to enter this trade. So when you enter, the first thing will happen is that you are going to lose $0.10 until it now become a profit. You understand? Sometimes this thing can be $0.50 or $0.70 or even $1. Imagine you are risking $1 per trade and your spread is $0.40. It's very risky. You are paying for, so it's very risky. So that's the things that you need to be aware of. So how do I place my stop loss? When I click here now, look at, I'll click here now, I'll place my stop loss above because I'm selling. Let me play my stop loss as $1 and place my take profit as, let's say, $2. That means I'm risking $1 to make $2. Then I click here to do what? Modify it. Then I've placed my stop. Are you seeing that? When I place a sell, my stop loss will be up, my take profit will be down because I want it to go. I'm expecting it to go down. So if the thing come up to this sell, I will lose. If the thing come up to this buy here, TP, I will do what? Make. So if the trade, these candles come up to this $1, I will lose $1. But if it come down to this $2, I will do what? Make $2. Based on my analysis, it can be up to $3, $4. You understand? But it is advisable. Let it be 1:2 or 1:3. Advisable. But it depends. Largely, it depends on your analysis. Let's come to USDT price. Let's say that I bought here, buy, boom. I think that I've bought now. Then put my SL as maybe, let's say $1 for example now. It mustn't be $1. Okay, let's say $2 this time around now. Let's say $2. So it mustn't be $1. Let's say $2. Based on your what? Analysis. Let's say $2 to make maybe $6. That is 1:3. Let's say $2 to make $6. That is 1:3. 1:3 means 2 times 3 is what? 6. 1:2 means 2 times 2 is what? 4. So if I'm risking $1 to make $2, that is 1 times 2 is 2. If I'm risking $2 to make $4, if I'm risking $1 to make $2, that is 1 times 2 is 2. That means I'm doing 1:2. If I'm risking $2 to make $4, that is also 2 times 2 is 4. That is, I'm risking $2. Just check the ratio 1:2. So just click here, modify. So yeah, when I click here now, now I see that when I'm buying, if this thing come down to this -$2, if I see this place here, if this candles come down to this -$2, I will lose $2. But if these candles come up to this $6 plus $6, I will do what? Make $6. That is for buy. So we're expecting it to go up. So buy means that you're expecting it to go up. But coming to sell, the one that I sold in GBP USD now, sell means that we're expecting it to do what? Go down. So if it end up coming up and touch this L sell, I will lose $1. If I did not put this L sell here, this candle goes up. Maybe let's say I have a $10 account here and I not put L sell here. This candle can go up and reach up to $10. And once the thing reach $10, all my $10 is gone. So I use this L sell to control how much I'm willing to lose per trade. So don't forget to put this L sell, because so L sell means that you don't want to trade again. Since you have reached up to $1, you don't want to trade again. You understand? That's the meaning of L sell. But if you don't put this L sell here, this candle can keep on going up until it can reach that your $10 bank balance, and it will blow it. Your $10 is gone, and it will still keep on going up. Let's say you have $20 account, $20 account, it can still keep on going up, and you lost the whole $20. Even lost up to $100. But this stop loss here means that you don't want to trade again. You want to just lose that $1. You don't want to trade again, only $1. So you use stop loss to do what? To manage your risk. It's called risk management. You understand? Because in forex trading, it's based on probability. There's a high chance it might go up or go down, right? So based on your analysis, there's a high chance it will go down. So you went down, right? You went for sell. If you come to, maybe you analyze the trade and you say, okay, there's a high chance it will go up, and there's a high chance. Based on your analysis, you say that, okay, based on my analysis, there's a high chance it's going to go up. Just because there's a high chance it's going to go up doesn't mean it will not go down. It can still go down. Right? So this is how I also show you how I was able to analyze my SAU USD. How I was able to analyze my SAU USD using what they call trend lines. Can you see this trend line? Don't worry, I'm coming to that part yet. I don't want to rush you too much. Now, let's close this and trade. Let's close it. We'll close this one. Close it. Boom. We have closed it. I see what we did now. Close it. Let's come to this one too. Close this one now. Boom. We have closed this one. Boom. So now let's come to our history. Are you seeing? In USDJPY, I made 0.04 profit, but others were losses. So I've not analyzed this trade, so I'm just teaching you randomly, just teaching you how it works. You understand? So in total, I lost minus $1.19. So if you don't analyze your trade there, you will lose money. And if you don't know how to analyze, the best thing I will advise you is check the link in this video description so that you learn forex trading properly. If you want to become a doctor, you will go to school to study medicine. Why is that? If you want to become a trader, you just come on YouTube, watch 1 or 2 videos, and you go and put your $100 or $10 or $20 or $1,000. You are risking money when you don't even know the business. Learn the business first before going into the business. You understand? So click the link in the description of this video. There's a course that I will recommend. It's titled Learn Forex Trading Properly. One is free, one is paid. If you don't have money, go for the free one first, then you upgrade later. So don't just come here and start clicking buy or clicking sell. Look how I'm losing because I don't even analyze it. That's how you're going to lose if you don't analyze. Right? Now, this message is down here. You see down here, this message is are you seeing the messages? You don't need it. So this one is never important. So nothing, I will not explain anything here. It's never important. So now if you come to this quote down here, then now come to this quote up here. Just click this quote up here. Are you seeing what is happening here? Now come to this setting. You can come to setting and that sound. Look at, let me click here, other sound. Now come back to this trade. Come back to this chart. If I come here, click buy. I see no sound was made. Close it. Boom. No sound was made. But when I come here now back to this setting, click this setting, on this thing back, come to chart, boom, then close it. I see sound was made. So I can decide to leave it on or leave it off. But let me leave it on. So you can see all this thing here. I can change this thing down here now. You see choose theme down here. You can change it to, let's say, light. Okay, nothing changed. Let's come back again. So to that setting, it has not changed. Just come down, change it to light. Okay, let me bring this thing outside. Change it to light. Apply. It has changed to white color. I see how it's looking now. So me, I prefer black because this white is very bright on my eyes. So if you like white, go for white. But me, I prefer, if you like this one, go for it. But me, based on, it's too bright for my eyes, so I prefer black. So if you like white, fine. That one is based on your eye demand. All right. Now let's come back to this place. Now hope you know why I click. I just click this arrow here, this horizontal line. I see up here. Are you seeing up here? Just click it. I see. So look at how it looks now. Come to this place now. This is my name here, manage account. Just come and click it. Can you see that I have 2 accounts here? These are demo, so it's not real account because this is a live chat. I don't used to show my real account in a live chat for security reasons. So this is demo. So if I want to switch from one demo account to another demo account, if for me to just click, remember I want to switch to this one, I'll just click, boom. Now I've switched to this one. Have you seen that I've switched now to this one? Are you seeing it now? I've switched. Can you see that this one now is looking? Look at, have you seen what happened here? So in this demo account, I've made $85, right? All right. So this thing, I've switched to this one. But let's come back. Just come back to this place. Have you seen where I click? Just come up here. Click here. Then you click. When you click here, just click manage account. Then you come back to where we were. This is the account that we were here. Look at it here. Look at the one that we just entered now. Are you seeing it now? So whenever you analyze your trade, the other one I was analyzing, I was able to make $85. But this time I just entered randomly, so I lost money. So if you don't learn forex trading first, you will lose. If you like say I don't want to pay anybody, don't worry, you will pay forex for not learning. If you don't want to pay somebody to learn forex trading, you will still pay forex for your ignorance. So whether you pay to gain knowledge or you pay for your ignorance, you choose one. So that is that. Now if you want to trade forex trading, you need to understand what they call time frames. If you look up here, you see that this thing is M5. M5 means 5 minutes. That is minute 5. 5 minutes. So when you click it, you see that we have minute 1. That is 1 minute. We have minute 2, that is 5. We have minute 5, that is 5 minutes. We have minute 15, that is 15 minutes. We have minute 30, that means 30 minutes. Okay, let me click it. Minute 1, look at minute 1 look like. Minute 1, are you seeing it here? Minute 1, that is 1 minute time frame. It's called what? 1 minute time frame. Look at how it looks here. 1 minute time frame. If I come here and now and click minute 5, that is 5 minutes time frame. Look how it's looking. So if you come to minute 1 time frame, look at now. Let me zoom this thing now. Look at, are you seeing? For this one candle, for a one candle, for a candle, all this one candle here, are you seeing all this one candle here? This one candle. For each of these candles to form, it takes 1 minute, right? Then 5 of this 1 minute candle, 5 of this 1 minute candle will give you what? This 5 minutes candle. Are you seeing? It's now 5 minutes, showing 5 minutes here. So 5 of that 1 minute candle will give you what? This 5 minutes candle, just one. Then 5 times what will give you 30? 5 times 6 will give you 30. So that means 6 of this 5 minutes candle will give you what? 30 minutes candle. So 6 of it will give you what? So just come here. Will give you 30 minutes candle. So this one is 30 minutes candles. Why 3 of that 5 minute candle will give you what? 3 of 5 minute candle will give you what? 15 minutes candle. So you can see how they are looking. So that is how those different candles are. This is 30 minutes time candle. So 2 30 minutes candle is equal to what? 1 hour candle. Are you seeing what I'm clicking? I'm clicking up here. Are you seeing it up here? So 1 hour candle. So 4 1 hour candle will give you what? 4 of these candles, 4 of them will give you what? 4 hour time candle, right? Then 24 of this. Sorry, how many times 4 will give you 24? Sorry, 4 times how many will give you 24? That is 24 hours is 1 day, right? So day 1 is 24 hours. So 4 times 6 is, let's do the calculation now. 24 divided by 4 is 6. So 6 of that 4 hour candle, 6 of this 4 hour candle will give you what? 1 day candle. That is day 1. So look at how it looks now. I've clicked on minute 1. Look how minute 1 candle look. That is 1 minute candle. Now look at how 5 minutes candle looks. Then look at how 15 minutes candle look. Look at how 30 minutes candle looks. The same way all these candles, look how they look. You can see this one is still loading. So that is how it looks. So if you are trading this 1 minute candle, means things that happen within 1 minute. Candles that are formed, these candles are formed within 1 minute. So it is cheaper to trade this 1 minute candle, but it also has some kind of advantages and disadvantages. So if you are trading 1 minute candle, you are called a scalper because you enter very fast and you leave very fast. If you are trading maybe 15 minutes candle, you are more of like a day trader, right? Because you enter for some minutes, like 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, and you leave. But if you are trading something like 1 hour candle or 4 hour candle, you are called a what? A swing trader, right? Because you are waiting for days before you leave, right? All right. So this is for time frame now. So later you understand this time frame deeper. Now let's come to SAU-USD. I think that this BCH is back. So what you're going to do is just come back again to this pencil, click it and delete it. Sometimes it reminds you misbehave, you just come back again by itself. So now this SAU-USD, now you see the SAU-USD. Now let's come to, before I make an entry, are you listening? Before I make an entry, I will come to the weekly time frame and look at what is happening. Let me use this one that I've not done any line. I've not done any line here. Before I make an entry, I'll come to the weekly time frame, or let's say I'll come to a daily time frame, and I'll see what is happening on the daily time frame. You see how this thing is shaking. Hope you know why it's shaking. It's shaking because it's loading. It's shaking because it's still loading. So if you don't want it to load again, just quit the app and come back again. Just quit the app, come back again to stop loading. All right, like to stop shaking. Now know what is happening in this candle. Now once you know what is happening here, you check the let me turn this my phone upside down. So I'll just turn this my phone upside down now. So I will turn this phone upside down now. I think that it is now looking like this now. I think how I did it. I just turn it upside down. So when I just touch the screen, this thing will come out. Touch the screen, this thing will come out. So now if I touch this box here at your right hand side, top right hand side, are you seeing this box? Let me increase it in. So let me touch this blue red box. Just touch it now. My buy this thing is now outside. I see is now outside. If I want to close it, just touch outside. Touch outside to come out. You click it again. I've closed it. Now let's say touch it again. Look at your time frames at your left hand side. These are the time frames at the left hand side. Let's say I want to enter an order now. I'll just touch here. Then I'll click this one here. I see this one here. So I'll click this one here. I see what happened. But if I turn it like this, upside down like this, look how it looks. So for me to click that thing that I just showed you now, I need to touch outside. Then can you see the symbol here? Can you see it here? This symbol here. Let's turn it upside. I see what is happening now. Look at all these lines here. Now turn it like this now. We turn it like this now. Touch here. Are you seeing that same symbol here? So let's click that same symbol. Then let's use this diagonal line. You see this line now. Let me delete it again. Click it again. Touch this place again. Let me do it again. So look at. In case you don't see this diagonal line here, in case you don't see it here, just click this plus here. Click this plus. So let's click it. So you see all that this thing here. So you can use any of these lines here. So I need this trend line. This diagonal line is called what? Trend line. So you can click that trend line. Look at it. I've clicked it. So now use this trend line now. When you use this trend line now, you come here now and you draw this trend line like this. So just touch the tip. Touch the tip. Right? When you touch the tip, like okay, look how it's facing like this. Touch the highest. Touch the highs. Touch the highs. All these top tip, the toppest, right? The toppest, just the highest place. So this is the highest. Two highs. Touch the longest. Can I say longest or the toppest one? How will I even put it? Just touch the two highest one, the two longest one. These are the two longest one. Just touch two of them. I say I touch two of them. Then you come to this place now. You click split. I've splitted it into two. So touch it. Then in the middle, bring it down. Drag it from the middle. If you want, you can drag it from this side to move it up down, or you can drag it from this side to move it up down. But if you want to move it from where it is now, click the middle. Move it. Now, I'm going to focus on here like this now. Let me focus on here. So I want to touch two, but if I touch this one now, it's going to look something like this. Now it's looking close, too close. But let's just go with this one instead. Since this one touch, we are looking for more probabilities. So this one touch one, you touch one here, one, we touch two here. Look at it. You touch one here, one here. You touch another one this side, another one, second one this side, and you touch this third one. Wow! So I'm looking for more probabilities, because if I put it here now, it's going to give me less probability. So in Forex trading, we need for more probabilities. Whereby you touch here one, touch here one, touch here one, then you touch here two, touch here two, touch here two. So you touch here three. So it's going to give us more probability here. So that means this thing is going up. Can you see what happened here? Let me tell you what happened here now. Let me draw this in backward again. Let me tell you what happened here now. Look at it. It's based on probability. I see. Look at what happened here now. This thing touch here. I see. It touch here. It touch here. I see. It touch here. It touch here. Yeah. It touch here. It now went up and touch here. It now came down. It broke it. Came up again. Touch here. Came down. Touch here. Came up. Instead of it touch here, it almost touch. It came back again, touch here, and it's planning to do what? What is it planning to do? To come up here. So based on my analysis this candle is going to come up here and touch. But should I enter buy now? I should not enter buy now because it's already late. I see, it's already late. I would have entered somewhere here now as a buy. But if I enter buy here, it's already late for me to enter buy, because I not enter on time. If I enter late, I will lose more money. But if I enter on time, I will lose less money. So think about loss first before you think about how much you make. You understand? So now we come to H4 candle now. I've drawn that 4 hour. I've drawn the daily time frame. Look at the daily time frame is. Look at. On 4 hour time frame it look longer, because 6 4-hour candles six of these candles this 4-hour time candle, 6 of them will give you one daily time frame, one daily candle. I see. That's why it's longer here. I think that it's longer here. It's longer. It's looking longer here. It's looking longer here. But if I come to this daily time frame now, it's now looking shorter, because 6 of that 4-hour candle will give you only one daily candle. That's why this one is looking shorter, because this one is daily candle. So just click outside like this, and this thing will pop out. On your left hand, you click 4-hour candle. Are you seeing what I did? I clicked what? 4-hour candle on my left hand, and this one is showing. So now this one was facing down, right? It was facing down, but currently it's doing what? Facing up. So if it's me, there's no clear decision to be made here, because the candle, the trend is still forming. This is down, this is down. This is up. This is down. But I would have wanted another up again, then a down, so that the trend will be very, very clear. Like this one now, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, my hand is touching somewhere. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, this one is up, equal. They call it double touch, because they are touching the same line. And this double touch created what they call a change in the trend line. So it was going down. I see, it was going down. So this double touch, these two double touch here, it caused a change, and it started going what? Up. So for me now, this thing has not fully formed. This up, this down, up. So it was up, down, then equal, then down, then up. So from up, down, which is a downtrend. A downtrend is lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So it is going lower, high, low, lower, high, low. So high, low. Are you getting? High, low, high, low, high, low, high, low. That is lower, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low. So high, low, in a what? In a low moving direction, in a downtrend, which is what? Bearish. Bearish means selling trend. But this one now is going up now. This one now is going up. I see. Now from calling this, instead of calling this lower than high, lower than low, you now start calling this what? Higher than high, higher than low. So this one is higher, low, low, high, low. Another high is supposed to be formed around here. So low, high, low. Another high is going to be formed around here. So higher, low, then higher, high, higher, low. We're expecting another high to be formed here. So low, high, low, prediction, high. So let's draw our trend line. But now this trend line is not fully respected very well, because this thing is still forming. It's still forming. But let's use gold. Gold form very well. Instead, let's use gold, because gold has formed very well. So let's use gold. So what I'm going to do for me to change this thing in this, you can just turn it upside down and turn it like this, and just click this one and you change it to SAUUSD. So this is gold. So let me cancel all these things. So let's use gold. Gold formed very well. I like the way gold formed. So you can use this strategy on any pair. Let's cancel it and do it again. So let's start from daily time frame. Are you seeing daily? Just turn it upside down now. We start from daily time frame. You touch the highest points. I see what it's doing. It's now moving about again. I don't like the way it's just shaking. So what are you going to do? Turn it upside down and you quit the app. Just quit the app. Then you come back. It will stop shaking all those things that are just shaking. So you just come back again like this. Now when you come back again like this, now what are you going to do? We are on the daily time frame. So you now touch, just touch. Then you touch this side here. You see this place here at the right hand side. Are you seeing it here? Just touch this one now. Then you now touch this trend line. Are you seeing it? This trend line. You touch it. Then let's draw the highest and the lowest. The highest points. This is the lowest point. This point here is the lowest point. This point here is the lowest point, right? So this is high. This is moving higher and higher. So this is a higher low. This is a higher. So this is a higher low. Yes, this is a higher low. This is a higher high. So this is low. This is high. Or you can say this is low. This is high. 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 But our focus is just low, high, low. Just click here, this one, to duplicate it. So let's come here, touch here, just touch the highest point. Let's touch here and here now. Just touch these 2 points here now. That's what I'm doing. I'm just teaching you how to analyze the trade now. On this place, this is how to analyze. You can use trading view to analyze you. And I see I touch here, so they can't do touch here, up, touch here, down, then came and touch here, up. Now it's planning to come and touch down here, which something like that. Because you have already touched down here, so it's planning to come. You can touch twice and still go up again. So let's come to this 4-hour time frame now. You can see what is ahead. Conform to this 4-hour time frame now. Are you seeing what is happening now? So let's make another one again. Now this one is going on a downtrend. Just come here, add your line again. Add your line again. This one is forming on a downtrend now. You see what is going on here now. So it's just forming a downtrend now. It's facing down. This thing is facing down. I see, just duplicate it. It's facing down, just duplicate it. Look at how it's facing. So can you see? Let me move this thing to this side. So look at how it's facing. Can you see? So this one is facing down. So it touched up here, then came and touched here, then came and touched here, then you came and touched here. So if we enter here, it's already late to enter here. We would have expected it to come and touch somewhere here. Then when it touch somewhere here, what are you going to do? You sell. Sell means that you're expecting it to go down. But you would have expected it to go down when it was here. When it have touched here, then you expect it to come down here. Then when it now touch here, it's supposed to be expected to now come up here. So here should be, you would have bought from here. So for you to buy from here is risky because you not enter on time. So that's how you measure all these things. You come down to 30 minutes time frame also. Look at how 30 minutes time frame look like. So just come, touch here. Then you draw your trend line now. I see, you just draw it from the toppest points, the top points. Alright, these are the 2 top points. Then come down the lowest point too. So the highest point and the lowest point. I think that is the best word to even use. See me, I'm just struggling with this use of words. This is the highest and the lowest point. Are you seeing what's happening now? What's happening now? So you see, look at what happened here. If that you stayed here and you sold, you would have taken your profits from here. If that you stayed here, and you cannot stay here and buy because it's a downtrend, so you should not be buying. It's not advisable you buy on a down. Since it's facing down, focus on only selling here, then selling here. So you would have sold here. So that is how you analyze your trade. So that when that kind of touch here, I would have sold, right? So you see. So what I'm going to be waiting for it to do now, when it comes down here, when this candle touches this, I've deleted this. My hands click delete. So when this candle now, let me draw it. Once this candle now come and touch here, we would have sold, meaning that it's going to come up. But it's not advisable to sell in a downtrend, and it's also not advisable to buy. It's not advisable to buy in a downtrend. You should only be doing selling, because selling means you are expecting it to go down, right? So it's more of selling in a downtrend, and it's more of buying in an uptrend. So wait for this candle to come and touch down here, then now come again and touch up here. Once you touch up here, what will you do? You sell. So that means patience is needed for you to wait for this thing to come down here. When it comes down here, wait for it again to come up here. Then you now do what? Sell. That patience is hard. That's why I say get a course training that will train you. So when you analyze all these things, that is when you now make your decision whether to buy or to sell. I see how I was doing all these things now. Now I've shown you how to place buy, how to buy or sell. I've shown you how to to choose your pairs. I've shown you how to set stop loss and take profits. I've shown you how to close your trade, right? Now let me show you how to use buy. Okay, now for me sometimes I might say that okay, this thing, instead of me waiting for this guy to come down here then now come up here, what if I'm not around? I might place what they call a pending order. Place what they call what? A pending order. So instead of me to, if I come here now, let me bring this thing down. If I come to this place now and click buy, I bought at this blue line. Let me close this back. This is a demo account. You see this? This line here. You see this line here? This diagonal, this horizontal line. They are what? Green and red line. This horizontal line, yeah. Are you seeing this horizontal line? If I click buy now, I bought at that line. Let me close it back. If I click sell now, I bought at that horizontal line, right? That particular line. Let me close it now. Boom. I've closed it. So clicking buy or sell, let me close this thing. Clicking buy or sell means that I'm buying exactly at where the market is. So I'm buying immediately. But when I use this one, look up here, look at this one here. This is what they call pending order. When you click it, pending order means that I don't want to buy now, but when, let me off this thing, movement. Let me off this thing now. Hey, okay, let me off this thing now. It's not going to be moving down again. Now, sometimes I might, based on my analysis, I will not do it here, but based on my analysis, I don't use it. But let's say that instead of us waiting for this thing to come down, then now come up, let's just place a pending order that whenever this thing comes down and now come up, automatically it will buy up here, something like around here, up here, automatically. What are we going to do? You will now come and place this touch here, yeah. I seen this thing come. So under here means that once the thing is showing buy limit, it means that when this candle come to this buy, we're expecting it will enter a buy order. You understand? When these candles come down to this buy limit and touch this blue line, we have entered a buy order. That is buy. That means we are going to put our stop loss down here. I'm going to put our take profit. Let me remove this thing from this side. We are going to put our take profit up here, right? That means if the candle now keep coming down to this minus $44, we are going to lose $44. But if it comes up to this $116, we are going to make what? $116. That is for a what? A buy. So when I click it now, let me click it now. When I click it now and click this down arrow, down arrow, place buy limit. I've not entered a trade. Look at what it's showing. Let's come to this trade down here. Come to this trade now. I've not entered. It says place. It's just pending. It's pending. It have not entered place. But let's say I entered immediately. Buy. Boom. I just entered buy immediately. Look at the buy on now. The buy is showing. It's already counting that I've entered. But the pending on I've not entered yet because the candle is still pending. The buy is still pending until these candles come down to this buy. Let me close this thing now. So I close it. Nothing. Can you see? As we not analyze this trade, it's just going on a loss like that. So make sure you analyze your trade. Don't come here with your real money. You see all these things here. I'm just using this to just do random entry just to explain it to you. Learn Forex trading before coming to come and put your real money. And if you want to learn, check the link in this video titled Learn Forex Trading Properly and click it and learn for free or for paid. If you go for the free one, you learn for free. Upgrade to the paid version later. If you have the money, go for the paid one and start taking it seriously. The same way you go to school to study any course to become that course. For example, when you study medicine, you become what? A doctor. The same way study trading to become what? A trader. Don't come and be doing guesswork here, because the way you will lose, your village people don't even need to even do any work. They'll just be watching you. Now let me click this up place again. I see where I click. Now if I bring it above this line, it changes. If I bring it below this line, it changes. Limit means that we are expecting the candle to come to us. Once the candle come to us, if this candle comes up to this limit, sell limit, it will be triggered then I'll be on a sell order in this particular area. So for now, it's a pending order. But when this candle is able to come to this sell order and touch this sell limit, it's going to be a sell order. But for now, it's still sell limit, means it's pending. But if I cross here, it's not buy. So I'm waiting for the candle to come down here and touch this blue line, this buy limit. It becomes what? A buy order. That means we're expecting it to go up. But if it's here, it will not. We have not entered the trade like this. So until this candle touch this sell limit, we will not enter automatically a sell order. That is when we have entered the trade. So when you put your stop loss, I see where I'm putting my stop loss down here. You can see where I'm touching, down here, where I'm touching, down here, where I'm touching, down here, down. Bottom right. That's where you put your stop loss. So let's put our stop. Let's say we put our stop loss something around here. Let's say something around maybe here. Let's say something around here. Let's say something around here. We put our take profit maybe something around here. That means if this candle, let's say we just take this blue line now, take place. I see what happened now. It have placed, but it's not yet counting because we have not yet entered. So if these candles now at this point, come down to this white line and come up again to this sell, we enter. Even if it doesn't come down to this white line, so far as these candles can come up to this sell and touch this sell, I've entered the sell order. My loss or profit is already counting. When it now comes up again and touch this place, I have lost what? $61. But when it come and touch here, I will enter the trade. Then it now come and touch this plus $195. I've made $195. So that is how it works. Can you see it now? So let me close it. So now let me close it. Just touch it and you delete, right? Now we also have what they call down. I've showed you limit. We also have what they call stop. So click here. This is limit. Buy limit means that I'm waiting for it to come down so that it will enter buy automatically. So once this candle touches blue line, this buy limit, it will enter buy automatically. But look down here, look there. You also see what they call buy stop. I think buy stop is not different from buy limit. I think buy stop. Buy stop. Let's come to buy stop. Look down here. You see buy limit. Let's say where is buy limit? Buy limit means let the candle come to me and reverse. Buy limit means what? Buy limit means let the candle come to me and reverse. That means when the candle come down, it start going up. That is what I expect. While sell limit means that let the candle come up to the sell and start going down. So limit means we are expecting a reversal. Come to me and start going backward, right? But when it now comes to stop, buy stop or sell stop, I say it's not showing stop. So buy stop means if the candle can come up to this my buy stop, it will keep going up without reversing. It will continue going up. That is what I'm expecting it to do. But sell stop means when the candle touches my sell stop, I'm expecting it to keep going on a sell down. So limit means that come to my entry, come to my buy or sell and make a reversal. Limit means come to my buy or sell and do what? Make a reversal. While stop means come to my buy or sell and continue. So when this thing come to my sell, I'm expecting it to continue going down. So my stop loss can be up here. I see. My take profit can be down here. So when it comes up here and touch this sell and go up and touch this minus 40, I've lost minus 40. But when it comes here and touch this sell and keep going down without touching that $40 and keep going down and touch this $190 something, I will make $190 something. But coming to the, let's click here again. Look at up here. Just click up here. Let's say that we did. Okay, change it back to sell stop. Stop now. This is sell stop. Now buy stop. Let's say that this thing came up to this buy stop. We'll put our stop loss down here. Put our take profits maybe one down here. Let's say this thing came to this buy stop. We have entered the trade. Once we have entered the trade and the thing now, after it have entered the trade, it now touched this minus $52. That means it came down and touched minus $52. We have lost $52. But if it not come down to touch that minus $52, even though it came down small, at first it has not touched it, but it now went up and touched this $195. We have made $195. So we are predicting what the market should do. If the market doesn't go according to our prediction, we are going to lose. right? Let's say we enter the trade. Let me come down to this 1 minute time frame because it's moving fast. Let's say we just saw this trade now and we just entered. We entered a sell, right? We entered a sell and it was going like this. Maybe we put our stop loss and I'll take profit. Let's say we put our stop loss here $2 and I'll take profit. Let's say $4. That is 1 is to what? 2. Let's say we put it like this and we're in a profit. You can just click this thing like this and close it. Boom, we have closed it at a profit of what? Look at it. We close it at down here. The lowest one, that is the least one, that is the first one, $0.19. So that's how to close your trade. So I've showed you so many of these things now. If you click here now, can you see here now? This is where it's called indicators. So I can come here, just click this F, add indicator. I can decide to add moving average. So you can add any. So just click save. Just come back. Have you seen? I've added moving average. Have you seen what it's showing now? Have you seen this blue line? This red line now. Let me change the color of that red line. Just come back here. Come to moving average. I can change the color to. Let me bring this up. Change the color to, let's say, white. Change it to white. I see now it's not showing white. So this is where you add your indicators. Later you learn about indicators. Let me delete it. Just click delete it. So let me add another this thing. Let me add a commodity index. If I add this indicator now, click save. Just come here. I see what's happening down here now. I see what is happening down here now. So all these things are called indicators. Let me delete it. Indicators. So that's why we add indicators, right? Then let's do something like this now again. Let's click here now. Just click outside. This thing will pop out. Then you click this one here. You click this one. Then when you click it, look at what will come out here. I see. So if you look at all these things now, you notice that these things are very important. So it says line. You say all these things here. Trade position. Just leave it the way I've did my own like this here. Leave it. If I click on this ask price, boom. Just watch now. This line was showing green line and blue and red line. It was showing green line, but now it's showing only green line, no more red line. So just click here. Click this one. Come back and click that ask price. Then come back here. It is not showing blue and red. Please make sure it's showing blue and red so that you know where, so that you can calculate the spread. Touch here. When you open the way I touch, just touch here. Then you just come here. Use the buy order, either the buy order or the sell order. Touch here. Use the take profit or SL. Just use it. This thing is hiding. Look at where it's hiding. Let me make it to be closer now. It's too far. Oh, it's too far. Let me make it to be closer. It's hiding. Let me make it to be closer. It's just hiding. Let me bring it closer. Just click back, place buy. Then cancel is back. It's going to be closer now. So now let's measure this the distance between this red line and this green line. Just click this your order, this your pending order. Click it, maybe buy or sell. Just click it, then click your stop loss or your TP. Just measure them. The difference between them, what is the difference? The difference is what? $0.36. So when you enter this trade, you first of all lost about $0.36. I enter buy, sell. I've lost what? I just lost by entering. So that loss is called spread. The difference between this red line and this blue line. Let's enter buy. Boom. Once I enter buy, I will come at a loss first before I start going in a profit or continue going in a loss. So that spread matters a lot. Check your spread before entering your trade. So check your spread before entering. So the market have closed. Okay, it have not closed. Alright. This way it made the sign as if it have closed. So these are the things you need to learn when it comes to forex trading, especially forex trading with your MetaTrader 5. So learn all this. Let me close this thing now. Learn all this. Now I've not talked about this one here, 0.01. Now let me show you something now. I say you should avoid using this guy because it can make you to lose more money or to make more money. Avoid using this guy. Why? Because it can make you to lose more money or make more money. In forex trading, focus more on on protecting your capital than on making profits. What did I say? This 0.01 can make you If I change it to maybe 1.9, let me show you something now. Let's say I place an order, a buy order. Let me bring this thing down. I place a buy order, or let me leave it to be up. Let's say I place a buy order, buy. Okay, let me just leave the chart. Let's say I place a buy order, and I put my stop loss at, let's say, $1. Then I put my take profit as, let's say $2. Let's say $1, $2. Hope you know why this thing is showing $1, $2. Because of this 0.01. If I change this thing from 0.01 to 0.05, it have increased from $1 to $5, from $2 to $10. If I increase it from 0.05 to 0.1, I see what have happened. It have increased to $10. If I change it to just 1, or let's say 0.5, it have increased. Let's say change it to 1, it have increased to 10, it have increased. Now it is, let's put it as 1. It's at 1. No? Okay, let's put it as 0.01. Now look at the spread. Just be watching at the spread. Look at the spread. Look at what happened. If I click a buy, boom, I lost how much? $0.28, right? As I entered, I lost $0.28, right? If I click sell, boom, I lost how much? About $0.30, right? Still the same thing, the same range, right? Now let me change this thing now. Change it to 0.1. Now watch, I buy. Look at what I lost. $3. So it's risky. Don't change that thing. You can make more money, you can lose more money, but think about loss first in forex trading. Sell. $3. Let's change it. That's never where the problem is. So let's change it into 1 now. You can lose more. Like that's the money you pay to enter this trade. Let's say 1, just enter buy. Not enough money. Okay, let me change it. Let me change it to my other accounts. This account now. So you understand this in better. Let's change it now. $1 now. I see $1. Let's enter buy now. Boom. We lost $30 just by entering. So if your account, let's say your account balance is $20, and you put this thing in 1 and you place buy, boom, your money is gone. Your money is gone. Let's say your account is $32, and you just, let's say your account, let me close this thing. Let's say your account balance is $32, and this thing is on 1. You just place buy, boom, right? It's on $22. It can just go on a loss very fast. Now it's in a profit anyways. Let me try going on a sell opposite. Let's say I went on the sell. Look at, I just lost 30. I see 34 there that showed. That 34 showed. Means if I have $32, I must have lost it very fast. In less than 1 second, I must have lost it. It showed $34. I mean, if I have 32, it showed $34. If that I have $32, I would have lost it immediately, because it have crossed more than $32. I would have lost that. So imagine I now increase it into 10 again, to 10. It will not work. Let's see. It's work. Okay, not enough money. All right. It would have lost like up to $60 by just entering. So please let me come back to this account. Can you see how I'm switching? So when you come, just always make sure that this thing is on 0.01. 0.01 is the least. 0.01 is the least. So there's another way of doing it again. If you change this time frame again, it's even safer. Even if you change the time frame here, look at something. Let me show you something now. Leave this. Let's forget about this one now. This. Let's forget about that. That's this 0.01 is called what? This 0.01 is called what? Lot size. So make sure that your lot size is 0.01. 0.01 is called what? Lot size. So make sure that your lot size is 0.01, not 0.05 or 0.1 or 1. Very, very risky. So let's say I come to this 5 minutes time frame. Let's say I come to this 5 minutes time frame. If I click buy, I see. If I click buy now in this 5 minute time frame, and I see what is happening. I click buy. Now let me touch this. Let me place my stop loss. I see just this small distance here. This small distance from this buy is how much? $2. All right. Let's come to weekly time frame. Look at weekly time frame. Touch. Let's do again. Look at small distance. Are you seeing? Small distance is what? $50. So as a beginner, it's advisable for you to trade lower time frames since you don't have much capital, right? Lower time frames. Let's say I go for monthly now. Just see the small distance now. Small distance is already 100. So all these things matter. So that's why as a beginner, you go for lower time frame first, since you don't have much capital. And even though you have much capital, go for lower time frames first as a beginner. Even if you have much capital, because for each trading you must lose. Losses are guaranteed. You understand? So losses are guaranteed. So what have I not showed you yet? So these are the things that I've showed you, that I'm showing you only the most important things. So as time goes, just be playing with all this app, be playing with it. Let's say I want to enter, I touch here now, and I now touch this one here. I see this one here. It's now saying create window. Just create $S. Okay, just create new window. I just create new window. I've created 2 windows now. I've created 2 windows. So this one is GPU. This down here is GPU USD. While up here is ACU USD. So if I want to, after I've created 2 windows now, I can buy up here, I can sell down here. So if I buy up here now, I bought up here. So I've bought for good. Do what? Place my stop loss and my take profit. Click here. I've bought. If I want to sell, if I want to buy for, let's say I want to sell down here now, I'll just click here now. I'll now click sell. I see. I've sold. Okay, so it's selling in 2 places. Can you see? It's selling in 2 places. It's selling in 2 places. So if you want to sell, you have to close this thing. Come here. Click here. You just close it. You have to close it first. Then before you make your order. So you cannot sell. You can only use it to view your trade that you have entered so far. You can use it to just view the trade that you have entered so far. So I don't know what. So as time is going, just be looking at all this app. How I learned how to use this app is that just be going through them with demo. Be going through them, be touching them. As you're touching them, you are understanding things with demo. That's why I say my advice practice demo for at least 6 months to 1 year. That's my advice too, because in Forex, losses are guaranteed. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, losses are guaranteed. What separates a professional from a beginner? That a professional make losses and wins, but the wins are more than the losses. So at the end of the day, the professional comes out with what? A profit. But a beginner will make profit and losses and wins and losses too, but the losses are more than the wins. So at the end of the day, the beginner will come with what? Losses. So losses are guaranteed. So protect your capital first, very important, before talking about making money. Protect capital first. How do you do that? Start by learning forex trading first. Now that you have learned how to use the MetaTrader 5 app to trade, both buy and sell, and so many other things, now is it advisable that you should go ahead and start trading? No, it's not advisable. If you want to become a doctor, what will you do? You go to school and study medicine for how many years? For about 6 to 8 years. So you need to study first before you can become, right? You study medicine first before you can become a doctor. So study trading first, learn trading first before you can become what? A forex trader. So I will leave a link in the description of this video, a recommended course, a recommended training course that is going to guide you. So click the link and start learning for free, right? Free one and paid one. Choose the one you want. So don't say I don't have money. There's a free one. If you have money, go with the paid one. So if you don't have money, go with the free one. If you like it, you can decide to now upgrade, but you can start with free one first. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you find this video interesting, please make sure you subscribe, like this video, and share this video to your friends and your loved ones. And I'll see you in the next video.